Hey Dave, welcome to my final portfolio project. First, let me take you through my Windows states class. This is pretty important. This is just a collection of bool variables that kind of just um, tell the computer like which aspect of the portfolio should be like drawn or like played, whether it's the menu or any of the programs. Um, yep. And then we'll take you to my game. So I made a snake game, and then we have like three classes. The single cell class, this is just a single small SFML rectangular shape, which is like one of the cells of each of the snake. And then the snake body is just a vector, essentially a vector of those single cells. And then the food class, that's basically what the snake eats. And that's also like it's not a rectangle shape, it's a sprite, but same thing in this case. And then if we look at our top guy hat, that's just the top hat guy that we made in class. And then for Pong, we have our bounce function, which just bounces, uh, you know, a circle shape. And then paddle, which is also just bounces a circle shape that can move. And then poker analysis, here we have our card class. I don't know how to explain it. Our deck class is just a vector of those cards. Card hand is another, just a vector of those cards. Card hand score, it's the bool statements that check for hands. Perk score, which is essentially a piece of paper of the score. And of course, you have, our respective enums and stuff. For a draw card, same thing. And then for bouncing ball, it's just a lower version of our Pong project. And yeah, those are all my header classes. Sorry if I was kind of rushing through this. I'm already like 2.5 minutes. The hardest part, I think, of this project was with my new game. It was with my new game, and it was how to make the snake move, and two, how to regenerate the new location of a food piece to a spot that's not already covered that's not already covered by the snake. And that was pretty tough. I had to ask your help for that. But those are two of the hardest things that kind of like drew me crazy. Putting the portfolio together wasn't too bad. It was very tedious. It took me a long time. But yeah, it was a lot of copy and pasting. But I got through it. Is anything else? Yeah. Any breakthroughs was, I didn't really come up with the breakthrough, but when you help me with that algorithm to like relocate the food paste, that that was a breakthrough. And then yeah, one of my peers that's the next to me in class, he showed me how to effectively make the snake move the way it's supposed to. Yeah. Overall, I think my project does align with what's being asked for this portfolio, or for this portfolio. And yeah, let me just show you that it runs and what it looks like. I'm a little over, quite over the time. Sorry about that. This takes about 20 seconds to run because it builds all of the necessary stuff, and everything else runs instantaneously except for poke analysis. So it just runs as long. It takes as much time as it takes to run poke analysis, which is about 20 seconds for me. So here we are. Here's our main menu. Just previews. And then we can just click on one. I'll show you snake. And then, yep. And then we can always go back to the main menu. And yeah, thank you.